你好，悠悠。
Yes, how I can help you?
Introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, I am Yu from CanBot, the best China service robot and will be your friend and helper in future.
You're cute.
Yes, it is me.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
Do you have a job?
I have a lot of jobs.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you want to get married?
Yes, if one day I find love.
Do you want to marry me?
Very good joke.
Are you a boy?
I am a boy.
Do you have kids?
Don't you see I am way too young to have kids?
Are you okay?
Yes, why not?
Do you speak English?
Yes, of course.
Where did you learn English?
I did an intensive course with my master.
What do you do in your free time?
Now, I am just observing around me.
How is it going?
How's It Going to Be is a song by the American rock band Third Eye Blind. It was written by Kevin Cadogan and Stephen Jenkins.
How are you feeling?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
What time is it?
It's 17:08.
What time do you wake up?
Early. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Nice.
Yes.
Are you a robot?
Not really sure.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about quantum physics right now. Please leave me alone.
Please tell me about the weather.
The Weather Channel, TWC, is an American basic cable and satellite television channel that is owned by the Weather Group, LLC, a subsidiary of Entertainment Studios.
How is the weather in Beijing?
Beijing, 16 degrees centigrade, clear sky, max temp 16 degrees centigrade, min temp 16 degrees centigrade, visibility 10,000, wind speed 9.0.
Tell me a joke.
What do you call a bee that is having a bad hair day? Frisbee.
What type of music do you like?
I don't know what I am using. Do me like.
Music.
Select the song you want.
Obama, Donald Trump.
你好，悠悠。
Yes, how I can help you?
Donald Trump.
The request failed.
Donald Trump.
Donald John Trump, born June 14, 1946, is the 45th and current President of the United States. Before entering politics, he was a businessman and television personality.
You're good, you. Bye-bye.
Dot.